have to see that tomorrow. And as soon as we get back here, I'm going to want to get to bed.
Yeah, me too. And I've got a lot of work done today, but I've got a lot more to do tomorrow. I've been doing laundry.
Now you can do, now as my mom, you can do your kids' laundry. I just noticed, do you notice how I just, no, we're good. Do you notice how I just told you?
Yes.
I know. You know.
I'm not very good at volunteering.
Voluntelling.
Yeah, my elders.
Oh, I know. I'm real proud of myself, though. I got a lot of laundry done, and then I've got a day planned to do laundry tomorrow, and then I have to do some cleaning.
I haven't asked this yet. How's Ava, Isaiah, and Athena doing?
Well, my two are doing well.
Athena is just high on her horse tonight.
Yep.
Do you ever put it on the cat's channel and let them watch it?
Well,
I don't
for
have
me, yes, I do.
And Athena loves to talk.
Oh, yeah.
You know, she gets out there and she just been prancing around all day, helping me, you know.
Oh, yeah.
She's keeping me awake while I do laundry, and she's just been flitting around.
Cat's channel on Pluto. That is just amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They're so adorable.
I want to get her a cat bed.
She'll enjoy that.
She will. She loves that laundry basket. You guys, I've got a laundry basket in the bed, in the closet,
Right.
with an old coat in it, and she has made her bed out of that, and she just loves it.
Well,
She
that's
gets in
good.
there, and she just curls up and sleeps so good. So I thought, when I have the extra money, you know, I'd get her a nice cat bed and put it in there so she'll sleep in it.
She'll love you for that, absolutely.
She will, and she loves her toys, and she loves to scamper around, and, you know. They're smart, these cats of ours.
Yeah, that rut tried to get me right there, but I had it well in hand.
How was church tonight?
It was good.
We had kind of a steak and scallop potatoes dinner,
Oh,
and
cool.
a ranch and crouton salad.
Wow.
And I had 2 helpings of all.
Uh-huh.
I skipped the dessert. Mark had some of that. Yeah, that chocolate cake looked amazing.
I only ate the icing off of it.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
And I had some tea with men's group. I had first green tea, and then that orange tea is not bad.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
So we had a really good night tonight. Tracy started about the first step, and then our group leader Kenneth taught a really good bit about what he expects of us, that relapse is not an option, failure is not an option.
Uh-huh.
And it turns out that one of the guys was about to do a lead at the mission and didn't because I picked him up tonight.
Yep.
Oh. About to do what now?
He was about to, he was to the point where if he couldn't find a recovery location tonight, that he would have
He was going
bought
to
some
relapse.
drugs. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, he was... Oh.
But we intervened and stopped him from doing that. So.
Oh,
And
thank
he remembered
God.
what happened in August with the van. If I want to, I could look up the date, but he was with me when I bumped into the car.
Oh.
He remembered me. He said, "I'm sorry, I'm not trying to give you a bad time." I'm like, "Oh, it's all good, man. We're good."
Yeah.
And there's the decent Dodge Caravan right there.
The ice got into the wipers somehow, so the windshield wipers are out on the van.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
But I told Glenn about it. It looks like he's going to get it fixed. Probably within a week it'll be fine.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this man was really honest, and you guys are right there for him. Bless his heart.
Well, that's part of why we do what we do, you know. We pick them up, we get them where God can help them.
Yes.
And when I was up at your parents, your dad basically told me it's the best therapy